That's Loop Out Larry, folks. Pay close attention. Kenny said not to egg him on.
Take it easy, Larry.
Yeah. What's going on, Larry?
Good.
No, Larry, I don't want you to ride it. I want him to ride it. Get off. Get back on, Larry. Larry, let's go across. What year is your bike?
1981.
What year were you born?
1965.
They say this is the most violent of the Yamaha YZs from that era, the 465. Sounds like the jetting's a little fat, but we'll get them straightened out. Sounds like it needs a wizard tune. Definitely jetting's off. Trees are starting to butt. The jetting's off. Want to bring it in? Let Wizard tune it?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to go park it down there. Okay. Always looking to buy bikes, guys. If you got any for sale, you know any collections for sale, call the shop. Billy and Sarah will take all the information down, and we'll buy them.
Out in a field, but it's probably still.
So what do you think, Wizard?
I think we can jet it and make it cleaner. You know, they're real rich. You know.
Now, I was reading a magazine article on this. They said this is one of the most violent 465s. This was faster than the 490s, wasn't it?
Yes. They like this bike better than the 490s.
They just got to get the jetting right. Since someone put a pipe on it and didn't do the jetting.
Right.
So that's probably what it is, pipe and silencer. And
I think the ceramic coated the stock one.
is that what that is?
Yeah, it's a ceramic coat they do
Looks
on
nice.
headers on cars and stuff. It is nice. I hit it with a magnet. I thought it was aluminum. I'm like, nope, it's not. It's steel.
Very cool.
Yeah. So.
Stay tuned. We'll have this thing running good in no time.
Yeah.
For part 2. Larry, you're not going to loop this one out on us, are you?
No.
Your ass still hurts on that one, doesn't it?
I'm afraid of these
Your ass
things,
is worldwide
you know?
famous now. You got a 1.5 million views of your ass.
Wow.
Your ass has been seen,
a lot more.
but more than most porn stars' asses have been seen. Way more. Hey, when you see in a restaurant or in a line in a store, and they're going to be like, Larry.
Yeah.
And how they recognize you? They
That's
saw your
happened.
ass.
Larry's
That's
purple butt.
happened.
I know that shade of purple anywhere.
Stay tuned, folks.